All right, guys, I'm not in Italy right now. I am not in Europe. I am here in Thailand. I'm here on a vacation. I just wanted to make this video really quick. I don't really want to make too much content, but I just had to make content about this specific place. And I wanted to share this place with you guys. I'm specifically here in Khao Yai. Let me show you the neighborhood. I'm gonna do a 360 just to show you guys the atmosphere of this place. Could you believe that we are still in Thailand right now with this beautiful backdrop of the mountains and the nature? I don't even have to do much talking. This environment speaks for itself. So mind you, not all of Khao Yai is going to look like this. I'm specifically here at this complex that has multiple hotel chains. I'm here at Toscana Valley. Specifically, I booked a hotel at Castello della Valle. Right here. If I wanted to walk this entire section, it'd probably take like 20-25 minutes. It's a pretty big plot of land here. All right, guys, take a look at the hotel that we're staying at. We actually stayed here last night and we're about to check out and move to another hotel around this neighborhood, but I just wanted to show you what our room looks like and the insane value. So let me give you a little tour. So we have the lobby and we're gonna go up here to the elevator. But first, let me show you the outside. This is your backyard. How unreal is that? It's so beautiful. I'll show you some of that in just a second. Let's go up. So we're here on the second floor. All right, guys, you are not gonna believe the room. Let's go check it out. So welcome. My girlfriend's already here. So yeah, like I said, we already checked in here yesterday, so it's not 100% clean, but just look at the size of this place. It's a lot bigger in person. This is 50 square meters and has a whole dedicated kitchen, dining room, a huge California king bed, I believe, and then this kind of like living room area, got the TV, and then we also have this amazing view with a balcony. Just look at this balcony, guys. It's unbelievable. Just look at that view. As you can see, we have the golf course right here. It's really nice kind of Alaskan vibe trees. Everything from the interior design to the color palettes, everything is just very, very authentic. This is no doubt the best hotel that I've ever stayed at. Let me show you a little bit more. We have the getting ready area. And then we have two large closets here. Like actually very, very big with the safe. And then we have another closet, so can easily fit 2 to 3 people. All right, so now let me show you the restroom. Very, very spacious, nice granite. So yeah, like I said, we are actually gonna check out. It's 12 p.m. We're gonna move into another hotel that's like walking distance from here, but it's still within this valley. So this hotel room, it's at the Castello della Vella. You're not gonna believe this. I only paid 4,600 Thai baht. That's less than $150, I believe. That's insane especially for a room this big. The next room we're actually gonna check in, it's a little bit more expensive. It's around 5,500 baht-ish. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if the next room is worth it. But I just wanna give you guys this final view before we head out and check out. As you can see, we have some neighbors playing golf right here. But man, this view is just so beautiful. Here to check out. I love that they have these shuttles right here that just take you around this entire neighborhood. So yeah, we're just waiting on the shuttle. I want to give you guys a little tour of this neighborhood. So I've already shown you inside. And if you come over here to this side, it literally looks like a wallpaper. It literally feels very European. Let me just show you guys. It looks like I'm in the movie of the Chronicles of Narnia or something like that. So this is the view, guys. Absolutely stunning. And right now we have our shuttle van picking us up. All right, guys, we just arrived at our second location. This was about a 10-minute drive from the previous hotel area. So this is called La Casetta. And as you can see, this is the neighborhood. Has a very similar kind of vibe. So let's go ahead and check it in. So I'm here to check in. Just take a look at the outside. So as you can see, guys, here is a map of the entire neighborhood. This is called Toscana Valley. So we were here in the middle earlier, and now we have arrived around the end of the area. So this whole entire thing is actually quite huge. To walk this would probably take at least like 30 minutes or so. These are all the things to do. We have a bike track, jogging, town square with restaurants, spas, fitness, have a country club, have restaurants, sports centers, multiple hotels, have a lot of different things. All right, guys, this is the neighborhood of La Casetta. It's got multiple building complexes. So we're gonna be staying at this building here. I just absolutely love the design. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, guys, we are on the second floor. Let me show you what we're working with. So immediately upon entry, we have our kitchen to the right of us. Pretty basic looking kitchen, and just check out the space. We have a bunch of windows that show off the amazing views. Nothing can beat this kind of view right here. We're right next to the road. We can see everything going on in our neighborhood, and we can see the beautiful backdrop of the kind of lake here with the different houses and the kind of mountains in the backgrounds. Wow, just absolutely beautiful. Let me show you the view over here. So you got kind of a lake view right here. Man, that is nice. We have a huge bed right in the kind of middle here, and we have our living room area with the TV. Now let's show you the restroom area. We got 2 sinks, and then we got a shower, and we have the bathtub, as well as the toilet right here. So yeah, guys, I think the main selling point is honestly the view. Man, it's really, really nice. And it even has this balcony area right here where you can actually step outside of. So I guess I gotta kind of step over here, access this balcony. All right, let me show you guys this balcony area. Wow, that is just beautiful. This is Khao Yai, guys. Could you believe that we are in Thailand? If you guys ever need a break from the city, instead of going to Pattaya and Chiang Mai and Phuket, check out Khao Yai. This is not a sponsored video. These hotels did not pay me to make this review. I had to pay in total around 10,000 baht for 2 nights to stay around this area. But I mean, it's worth it, guys. Like, this view is absolutely insane. And sometimes I kind of feel like I want to take a break from Thailand, you know, and travel around Europe or travel around the other Asian countries. But I feel like I've already left Thailand, you know? It's just really, really crazy. Just check out the view. You can see the backdrop of the mountains right here. Literally no words. We're gonna go ahead and explore the neighborhood. Come on, let's go. All right, guys, let me just take you on for a little tour around the neighborhood. So this is the Casetta neighborhood. It seems a bit smaller and a little bit farther away from the other areas. Actually, not too sure if there's anything else to see besides the lodging areas. Let's see what's over here. Let's go straight. Just look at this neighborhood, guys. Look at these log homes over here. It's just so beautiful. So this area seems like it's not really for hotels. They're more like maybe rentals or maybe private properties. All right, guys, so this kind of seems like the town square, the town hall-ish area. So we got like a meeting, catering area right here. I think they probably have some food around here too. So this is called Club Lego. Let's park and see what's inside. All right, so it seems like we have a fitness area right here. Just do a quick little tour. Not too bad. And then over here, we have one of 2 pools, I believe. It's not bad. A nice kind of infinity pool overlooking the lake right here. And you can see a nice view of the mountains right there. And just take a look at this area right here. This is the Club Lago. And then I believe if we cross this bridge over here, it connects us to another pool. Honestly, feels like a movie should be shot here. So I don't think we can enter here. This is private property apparently, but I mean, at least we can admire from a distance. This is some serious motivation to work hard and to live off-grid, kind of more or less off-grid, an area like this, just overlooking the mountains and surrounded by water and nature. All right, guys, we just drove a little bit farther out, but we're still in this overall Toscana Valley neighborhood, and we found ourselves within the Portofino neighborhood. So this was about maybe 5-minute drive from the previous hotel. Let's keep exploring this beautiful neighborhood. Let's see what it has to offer. I feel like I'm on a scene of a movie, like The Talented Mr. Ripley, or some kind of Italian movie like that. And that is a very impressive looking building right there. This is the hotel. This is called Hotel Portofino, literally a Tower of Babel replica. And again, I just want to show you guys this neighborhood. This area is just absolutely magical. A huge lake, ponds overlooking with the city behind us. And then we have this very Italian style, just kind of sit outside, eat, maybe smoke your cigar or whatever, drink some wine. Man, this is nice. I just absolutely love the design. See, as you can see here, it's Hotel Portofino. So beautiful. All right, guys, we are in the free shuttle service. We're gonna drive about 10 minutes and go to the town hall where there's a lot of different things to do. So we'll show you what that area is like in just a second. Just look at these houses. I don't even know if this is a house. This has got to be some sort of apartment or something. This is way too big. As you can see, we have all these different properties right here. All right, guys, we made it to the town square. All right, let's check out this area. This is the town square. As you can see, got a lot of locals out and about. Actually, I don't know about locals. Most of these are probably tourists. Yeah, actually, we came here this morning. As you can see, we have multiple restaurants, different shops, bakeries, coffee shops. No 7-Elevens, unfortunately. I don't know about the weather. It might just start raining any moment now. Okay, so we're gonna try to find the town square area where there's like fitness, where there's pool table, ping pong table. So I think it's right here. So this says this is the town square just up ahead. So I believe it's around this corner. I just want to show you guys these accommodations and this incredible view that you get when you're going to stay at a place like this. Guys, I literally feel like this is like a fairy tale, like a fantasy world. It is too beautiful. Whoever the design team was of this place deserves to design literally everything. They are too good. All right, let me just take you guys farther and farther down this hill. Let's see what else this amazing view has to offer us. Yeah, we were riding the bike around this area. All right, guys, and just over here, we have another pool. I mean, the design is just so beautiful. I keep saying the same things over and over, but it's true. The design is just unbelievable. Now let's go to the restroom area. I've already went in here, so I've already made sure nobody's here, but they have a steam room too. Nice little steam room. And we got the gym over here. Very premium feeling. We're gonna take a little shortcut. So we have multiple tennis courts over here. And then over here we have the badminton courts. And we also have a ping pong table and a billiards table, I believe. I think we're the only ones. Nice and private. All right, guys, we are back here during the night time. Definitely gonna get a bite to eat and enjoy a bottle of wine with this amazing ambiance and view. All right, guys, we just finished this whole bottle of red wine while enjoying this amazing ambiance. I highly recommend this. All right, good morning, guys. Today is gonna be our last morning here. I'll just show you guys this morning view. Stepping right outside of our condo, or not condo, I mean our villa, or I guess you could say our house. So right now we're just gonna go and get some free breakfast. We're gonna hop on one of the mini golf carts or the van shuttles and literally drive there. It's about, I think, 10-minute drive. So this place is so huge. It's Toscana Valley. You cannot walk this area. A lot of it is very far. So yeah, we'll see you there. All right, guys, we are here at Club Lago. Gonna eat the breakfast here. That was very quick. Wow, check it out, guys. We have a salad bar here. A mixture of Thai food, Western food. Got some international breakfast items. And then we have some heavier dishes right here. Fried rice. Look at this honeycomb. That's something you don't see every day. It's huge baguettes. We got an egg station. Just look at this amazing breakfast right here. All of this with the beautiful view of the water and the swimming pool and the mountains behind it. Got this congee right here. And
this one, you can fill your shirt.
wow, it's so good. It's like a curry, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this short little vlog. I actually had no intention of filming this. I just came here and I realized how beautiful it was. I just kind of wanted to share with you guys. This whole entire area is called Toscana Valley with multiple different resorts and hotels and things to do. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any comments and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.